Good afternoon. Another hot day across Georgia right now, sitting at 88 degrees in Atlanta, 95 up in Rome, also sitting in those lower 90s as we look towards Lake Country and Eatonton. I want to look at the humidity though, because this is really oppressive outside. 58% humidity in Atlanta. Mainly everybody else is in those mid to upper 50s as well. And if we factor that humidity in with actual air temperatures and we look at heat indices right now, we're sitting in the upper 80s for actual air temperatures, but 93 degrees is what it feels like outside in Atlanta. 102 over in Rome, 106 degrees over towards Eatonton, and it's going to be a little warmer tomorrow. And if we factor that humidity in, we could see a heat advisory for the south and south central area of Georgia going into tomorrow. But as we look into this evening though, we're still going to be dodging a couple of showers going towards 7 o'clock. We're going to be at 88 degrees with a 30% chance of a shower. 9 o'clock, we're still going to be in those mid 80s. It's going to be a warm night, dodging a couple of showers out there. And then by 11, they're really going to start to move out if we have any showers out there by then, sitting in those lower 80s, 81 degrees by 11. Tomorrow morning though, with the moist ground that we're having and those higher temperatures out there and that humidity, we could see some fog start to form over mainly along I-85 and to the west towards Calhoun, Rome, over towards Carrollton and LaGrange. We could see that fog start to form for your morning commute. As we go into the later morning, the sun comes out, peeks out of the clouds just a little bit. It's going to really start to fade and go away by late morning. So as we go into Wednesday morning, though, that rain shower, we're going to see those clouds early in the morning. A couple of showers maybe up here towards Dade County. And as we go towards lunchtime, those clouds roll in. That humidity really starts to pop up, that rain chance going into the early afternoon like we've been seeing for the past couple of days towards Rome and Gainesville. And as we go into the later afternoon and evening, that sags to the south just a little bit, a pop-up here and there. But mainly it's going to stay to the north of Atlanta. So as we go to tomorrow, though, we're going to top out at 92 degrees, 90 up in Blairsville. Everybody else is going to be in those mid to upper 90s tomorrow afternoon. Our average this time of year is 90 degrees. I want us to be weather aware on Thursday, though. We're on a slight risk for a severe storm on Thursday. That could be a little bit stronger than what we've been seeing for the past couple of days. Everybody else in that general thunderstorm risk. Damaging winds, localized flooding, and hail are going to be associated with these storms. So if you're under one of these, it's going to sit over you and dump buckets and buckets and buckets of rain. So we could see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches being dropped with these storms. Hail definitely associated with these storms. And then damaging winds, of course, with any of the severe weather that we might have. So looking at your 5-day forecast on Wednesday, we're going to top out at 92 degrees, and we're going to keep that precipitation chance going around for the rest of this week with temperatures in the lower 90s, 93 degrees on Thursday and Friday. And as we look into this weekend, though, on Saturday, we're going to top out at 92 degrees. A front's going to come through and bring us a better chance of rain with a 60% chance of a shower or a thunderstorm on Saturday. And then Sunday, it's going to be a little bit cooler, lower than average, a high of 87 on Sunday. It's going to be dry for the morning on Sunday, or dry for the evening on Sunday going into Monday. But Sunday morning, we're definitely going to see that rain with a 60% chance of a stray shower or thunderstorm.